everyone, my name is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to make quinoa salad with artichokes. This recipe is one of the first recipes that I've made, and so I really love this recipe. It's like a go-to for me. You can make it your own by adding your favorite veggies to this quinoa salad, but it just tastes so amazing. And why I like quinoa, because quinoa is high in protein. It is actually very filling when you eat it. It has less starch than you'd say rice, so I prefer to eat quinoa because of that. And I love the fact that it has like other nutrients. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, minerals, and vitamins that quinoa has. So you ought to. And I know a lot of people don't like quinoa because of the taste, but if you make it into a salad, you're adding so much more flavor that's gonna mask the really bland flavor of plain quinoa. So what you're going to do to start is you are going to boil your quinoa. So the easiest way is to take 1 cup of quinoa and cook it with 2 cups of water. You're gonna make sure you wash your quinoa first, because yes, it does have saponins on the outer layer, on the seed, that some people might find it that they might be a little allergic to it or sensitive to it. The reason why those saponins are on the quinoa is like a protective natural pesticide. So bugs and all of that, you'll find that most quinoa, they're organically grown because they have their natural pesticides that was given there by God. So what you're going to do is just rinse it off, and you're going to boil it. Bring it with the water to a boil, a sharp, rapid boil. Then you're going to lower the heat. Make sure it's covered, the pot is covered, and you lower the heat to the lowest setting. You're going to let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, and that's it. 15 minutes, you got this amazing quinoa. You can find plain quinoa, or there's the black quinoa, there is red quinoa, or you can buy them all combined together, tricolor. And natural ones will color, they'll have more nutrients in them. So this is just amazing. So what I'm going to do is, so here's my cooked quinoa. You're going to get your quinoa, and then you're going to add some veggies to it. I'm going to add onion. You can do red onion or white onion. I have white, so I'm just going to go ahead and add white onions. And that will just add an amazing flavor to your quinoa. If you don't like onions, then you can leave that out, or you can grate. Some people, they don't like onions, so just grate it, and you'll get the flavor of the onions without the bits in it. Next, I'm going to do tomatoes, and you want to remove the seeds, because if you don't, then your salad will go saggy later on. So it's best to remove the seeds. But if you're going to eat it right away, you're going to eat all of it, you can leave the seeds in. But if you're going to leave, like have leftovers and you're going to store for later, I would say just go ahead and remove the seeds. I've been eating quinoa for many, many years because I just fell in love with it. At first when I tasted it, I said, oh boy, this thing doesn't have a lot of flavor, but I was like, I know I can make it flavorful. I just gonna try experiment with various recipes. And I remember the first cooking class that I did in Virginia, Northern Virginia. This is what the dishes that I prepared, and everyone loved it. It was really, really right. And in parsley, if you don't like parsley, you can add cilantro instead. So next, I'm going to do artichoke hearts. I love artichoke hearts. I love the slightly tangy flavor, and you can just chop it up whatever sizes you like. I just love. Love it. All right. And for me, that's. And you can add. What else could you add to this? You can add olives. You can add cucumbers. Would be great in this. Bell peppers would be great too. And add peppers. So just your imagination, whatever your favorite veggies are, go ahead and add them. More fiber, greater for you, more fiber. And you can add protein too if you wanted to add some marinated tofu or tempeh. It's up to you. You can add. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the dressing. So I'm going to do lemon. And I like to use lemon, no vinegar. You don't need any vinegar. Just use fresh lemons. I'm just going to squeeze fresh lemons. And then I'm going to add garlic. Garlic. I love garlic. Great for you, great for circulation. All right. Next, I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm using unfiltered olive oil. All right. Sorry. Then I'm going to add some cumin powder. Just a little cumin powder. Don't want too much. And salt to taste. All right. You're going to mix that. And this is your salad dressing, and you're going to add that all over your quinoa. And then you're going to mix. Just going to mix. There you are. This is so delicious. Simple salad that tastes amazing, and I hope you make it. And this is great. You can add it just as a side dish, or you can, like I said, you can add some tofu to it, and you can dress it up and enjoy. Any protein, your favorite protein, and enjoy. Tastes amazing. I hope you prepare this recipe. Thank you for joining me on another video. I'd love to hear your feedback. Let me know how you enjoy it, and see you on another video. Bye.